Prepare yourself for a world where cargo is automatically transported through the skies, outpacing ground-bound transport, minimizing idle time, and delivering a variety of goods. For over half a decade, Phoenix Wings have been at the forefront of aerial logistics, driven by a mission of developing and manufacturing cargo drones that meet the highest standard of form and function. Introducing PW.Orca. PW.Orca was designed from the ground up with safety and reliability at the heart of its conception. We have incorporated a multitude of safety features such as redundant powertrains, sensors, and actuators, as well as a parachute system. All of that within less than a 3-meter wingspan to ensure full regulatory compliance. PW.Orca allows you to carry up to 15 kilograms in its 96-liter payload at a cruise speed of 110 kilometers per hour. With its outstanding turnaround procedure, PW.Orca minimizes idle time spent on the ground. Whilst PW.Orca is en route to you, the next payload can be prepared on our modular slide-in pallet. It's the seamless transition in mere seconds to get airborne and in transit to your next destination. Our flight and ground control systems are fully developed in-house for guaranteed robustness and simplicity of operation. PW.Orca was designed and built to meet the demands of all elements. Together with our partners, we made sure that PW.Orca meets the requirements of a vast number of use cases. Urgent and time-critical medical deliveries in urban and remote locations, and high-value industrial and offshore cargo. PW.Orca marks a new age for the logistics industry, enabling you to send and receive cargo faster and more reliably than ever before. A drone 5 years in the making that will serve the world for years to come. Inspired by nature, powered by Phoenix Wings.